The world is changing. The global economy is in a downward spiral. Around the world, stock markets are falling. Large financial institutions are collapsing and being bought out. The world economy is facing the worst downturn since the 1930s. Industries around the globe are closing at an alarming rate with no end in sight. Millions of families are losing their homes to foreclosure and face the turbulent seas. Is there an answer to stem the tide of an uncertain financial future? Be Hip has the answer.
Founder and CEO Terry LaCour and co-founder Costa Guerra saw a need in the industry for a company that not only had integrity,
but also could help individuals and families around the globe realize their dreams and achieve their goals. A company that would revolutionize not only the industry, but the world. Be Hip Global is reinventing the way the industry is taking product to market, offering you the ability to build a business around the world without all the headaches and financial woes of a traditional business. What if you had the unique opportunity to be in the right place at the right time with a company that cares about you? Now, Be Hip Global is giving you that opportunity. Since its initial launch,
Be Hip Global has expanded to over 20 countries in just 36 months. And this is only the beginning.
Try it, feel it, share it. Here's how it works. Be Hip Global's unique business model will reward top product promoters like you with one-time bonus checks as high as $1 million.
Our powerful framework for creating market share will also reward product promoters with lifestyle bonuses.
Anyone promoting products receives a global software system, GSS, which allows you to generate retail profits of up to 30% when customers purchase product from your Be Hip Global website. Be Hip Global also rewards those people that choose to create multiple points of distribution with product promoters across the world. And it all starts with 2. As your 2 teams grow, you will generate commissions based on the total Be Hip product sales of your entire community of Be Hip product promoters. And those that get started now will have the ability to share in revenues of the entire company worldwide. It's a very simple approach to creating wealth and time freedom as Be Hip Global and your business spreads across the world. What are your dreams? A new car? A new home? A new beginning? Where do you want your life to be? Take control of your life, realize your dreams, and gain the financial and time freedom to start living today. The opportunity to change your future is here. It is up to you. Be first. Be global. Be Hip. Now, go tell the world before the world tells you.